Looking to upgrade your truck's lighting for better visibility and style? The best LED light bar for trucks offers powerful brightness, durability, and efficiency, ensuring you stay safe and prepared whether driving at night, off-road, or in tough conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Nilight 783-watt Truck LED Light Bar. The Nilight 783-watt Truck LED Light Bar is a powerful upgrade for any truck owner looking to maximize visibility during night driving or off-road adventures. Designed with a combo beam that combines both spot and flood patterns, it uses a triple-row layout and a unique nest reflector cup in the center. This setup ensures extreme light efficiency by projecting a strong, far-reaching beam down the road while still spreading wide illumination to the sides. Nilight has also included an upgraded reflective plate on both ends, allowing light to refract at multiple angles for improved ambient visibility. An excellent feature when driving in dark, rural areas or navigating trails. Another strength is its adjustable mounting bracket, which allows up to 45 degrees of adjustment. This gives drivers flexibility to change the beam's direction depending on their environment, whether they need a focused spot for highways or a wider spread for off-road use. In terms of durability, the bar is rated IP67 waterproof, meaning it withstands rain, fog, and dust without compromising performance. Its die-cast aluminum alloy housing provides efficient cooling, protecting against overheating and ensuring an impressive lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Installation is straightforward, with the package including the 52-inch LED light bar and mounting brackets so most users can set it up quickly. Nilight further backs the product with a reassuring 2-year warranty, giving buyers peace of mind in case of defects or issues. Number 2. Nilight 783-watt Curved Truck LED Light Bar. For truck owners who want both performance and style, the Nilight 783-watt Curved Truck Light Bar is a standout option. Like its straight bar counterpart, it features a combo beam with a triple row of LEDs and a nest reflector cup at the center for maximum light efficiency. The broad reflective plates on both sides enhance the beam spread, ensuring ambient areas are well lit alongside the focused road illumination. What sets this version apart is its curved design, which not only improves the coverage angle but also adds a stylish, modern touch to any truck. After installation, the curved bar seamlessly matches the contour of most vehicles, giving a sleek appearance while boosting functionality. In addition to aesthetics, the Nilight curved bar is built with the same rugged qualities drivers expect: IP67 waterproofing to withstand harsh weather, efficient cooling with its die-cast aluminum alloy housing, and a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Where this model gains an edge is in its included quality wiring kit. The 12-gauge wire comes equipped with inline blade fuses, a rocker switch, and a relay, ensuring excellent electrical conductivity and safe, reliable operation. It's designed to resist high temperatures and melting, offering long-lasting durability even under heavy use. Installation is also user-friendly, as all necessary components are provided for a plug-and-play experience. As with other Nilight products, buyers benefit from a 2-year warranty. Number 3. XRIDONSEN Truck LED Light Bar. The XRIDONSEN Truck LED Light Bar stands out from traditional models thanks to its focus on emergency visibility and versatile usage. Featuring 104 high-intensity LEDs paired with a spotlight TIR lens, it ensures maximum visibility even during daylight hours, with a full 360-degree coverage angle. This makes it a powerful option not only for truck owners, but also for law enforcement, construction, and roadside assistance vehicles. Its premium build includes a rugged aluminum waterproof housing rated at IP67, which guarantees resilience against rain, snow, sandstorms, and fog. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, it is built for long-term reliability. What makes the XRIDONSEN especially appealing is its advanced digital control panel. This system allows users to easily switch between 26 flashing patterns, quickly select directional signals, and even save a favorite custom pattern for instant use. This feature gives drivers more control and visibility options compared to standard light bars. Installation is straightforward, as the unit comes with a 16.4-foot power cord and controller cord. Its mounting system relies on 4 strong magnetic bases equipped with rubber suction cups, ensuring a secure hold on the vehicle's roof without causing damage. This makes it both easy to install and just as easy to remove when not needed. Number 4. OPT7 Truck LED Light Bar. The OPT7 Truck LED Light Bar is designed for drivers who want more than just lighting power. It's a multifunctional tailgate bar that enhances both safety and style. Unlike traditional forward-facing bars, this model integrates seamlessly at the back of the truck, offering 5 distinct functions: running, turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights, and hazard signals. Its sequential signal system gives it a premium appearance while maximizing road presence, making your truck more noticeable to others. The visibility extends up to 30 feet, ensuring other drivers have plenty of warning in any situation. Installation is simplified thanks to OPT7's plug-and-play design, though specific trucks may require additional harnesses. For example, Silverado, Sierra, and F-150 models have dedicated harnesses for smooth installation. Multiple mounting options are available, from adhesive tape to clips or magnets, allowing flexibility depending on preference. Built for durability, the light bar is rated IP67 waterproof, ensuring it withstands harsh conditions while maintaining its premium look. The build quality is strong, and OPT7 provides extra installation accessories like easy mount neodymium magnets to eliminate the need for screws or sticky adhesives. Number 5. WOWTOU Truck LED Light Bar. The WOWTOU Truck LED Light Bar offers a combination of high visibility, rugged construction, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both professional and personal use. It's equipped with 80W high-power LEDs paired with TIR optic lenses that deliver a full 360-degree field of visibility. This ensures superior brightness in any condition, whether it's nighttime driving, fog, or heavy rain. The bar is designed with durability in mind, featuring an aluminum alloy housing rated at IP65 for weather resistance. Installation is easy and flexible thanks to its 4 heavy-duty magnetic bases that include 8 strong magnets. These secure the bar to your truck's roof even at speeds of up to 85 miles per hour without risk of detachment. For permanent installations, the light bar can also be bolted in place, making it suitable for long-term use. The WOWTOU Light Bar provides drivers with 27 selectable flash patterns, including steady and alternating functions. It even features a memory recall system to save the last used pattern for convenience. Operation is managed via a 16-foot cigarette plug cord with a built-in switch, making it accessible from the driver's seat. It supports a 12V DC input, making it compatible with most trucks and work vehicles. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.